This is Kai Wheeler from KaiWheeler.com, and today I'm covering a myofascial release technique for the trapezius, or traps for short. The trapezius is a large muscle that spans across the neck, shoulders, and upper back. It has two primary functions. The first is to stabilize and move the scapula. The second is to move the head and neck. Like the pecs, sitting at a computer, driving, carrying a heavy bag, and emotional stress are all variables that contribute to tight traps. These aggravators, combined with exercise routines that feature scapular elevation, promote additional tension to the trap muscle. Tight shortened pectoral muscles, indicated by forward rounded shoulders and palms facing backwards, all place the trapezius in a perpetual battle to counteract the constant pull placed on the shoulders. Tension in this region can result in neck stiffness and stiffness in the rotator cuff because of the unhealthy position and elevation of the trapezius muscle. In addition, this neck stiffness can actually cause tension headaches. So if you're someone that comes home after a long day of work and you notice tension in the upper part of your body, this is a great release for you. So let's get started. There are many ways to release the trapezius, but my preference is to use the lacrosse ball and the wall. I like to find a wall corner so I can get both sides and an area that allows me some space so I can get to a staggered stance. We're going to be focusing on the area of the trapezius that causes the most trouble, and that is the upper portion of the shoulder and also the upper back. So I'll begin by getting into a staggered stance. I'm going to start with my right side, so I have my right foot back and my left foot forward. I'm going to place the ball in that meaty portion of my shoulder right beside my neck. Drop my chest down, apply pressure, and drop that right arm down toward the ground. I stay on that point, I don't move around, and I place pressure on that tender point until I feel a release. After I've been on that point for a while, I move to the right and try to find another tender point. Now to get the upper back, you're going to drop your chest down a little lower, bend the knees, that'll help a little more. Repeat the same process. So I'll switch sides. Be sure to relax when releasing this area. As I've said in previous videos, the amount of time you spend on this release point really is dependent on how much muscle dysfunction you have and also what your tolerance for pain is. I would really highly recommend in the beginning doing 3 to 5 minutes between the different trigger points at least. This can be a very effective release if you stay consistent. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit like if you found the information helpful and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Join me next time. Have a great day.